Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another market analysis video, but we are going to see in depth because the market is being very ruthless to many people, and trust me, I don't have any swing trading positions because I analyzed it very earlier, so I exited most of my stocks. So let's see what we got for upcoming days. Right, so this is the chart of Nifty. I will show you some datas which are very important for you to notice. So this is the past data, or this is, let's see, Nifty's whole chart for till from 16 to 25. Okay, so almost of let's see, 3,000 days. My God, that's a lot of days. So this is a trend line coming from here. This is a support which we can definitely consider. But if you guys see, this selling has been very strong. Okay, the selling has been very strong. Many fake breakouts happened here. Many people got stuck. If you go on a daily time frame and see, there were many fake breakouts, guys. So this was a trend line once. This was a trend line once for people. This was a trend line then, because this was a fake breakout, so they started drawing it here. And this was a trend line, fake breakout. This is a proper trend line, and again this broke and it came down to the same spot. Okay, so if you see, this is a very good spot for Nifty because there is resistance and support. Okay, both are here. So if you see, this is a resistance and this is a support. This is a good support zone. As much as I know, this is a good support zone. Let me get rid of this. And the one data which I really want to show you is this. Okay, so this is in money control. This is a data about FIIs and DIIs, that is foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors. Okay, so this data is extremely important. As you guys see, they've been selling, man. They've been selling crazy. Okay, they've been selling crazy. And if you see, you can see the previous data too. So we can just go to January, and if we press, we will get all the data here. January, they've sold around 37,000 crores, and 29,000 crores already sold here. If you see in 2023 and 2023, 41. So they've been selling it. Okay, so in January month, most probably they'll be selling it. People who have knowledge about this, they won't trade in January and February month. Only after April they look for swing trading, most probably. I'm just saying. So if you guys see, this is a very clear trend line, and I'll tell you how many percentage market has actually fallen down. Let's come from 2000. Let's come from this COVID fall. Okay, so COVID, if you guys see, it has fallen almost 39%. Okay, COVID time it has fallen 39%, and after that, from this level to this level again, it fell. So it has fallen 12%. No, this is not a fall. This is not a fall. It's an uptrend. Yeah, it's an uptrend. Sorry, my bad. And this correction. Okay, this is not a fall. This is a correction phase. But this correction phase happened for a very long time. Market was sideways, and then it happened. So this fall is around 18% from top to bottom, and then again we saw this from here to another 10%, and then this small fall. This is around some 6%. And if you see, this is not a fall. Okay, this is not a fall. So this is Nifty's current situation. So this is compared to the other times, this is a big fall. Okay, so if you see, this is around 39, 18, 10, 6, again a 13% fall. Okay, which is totally fine. Totally fine, because there is a very high probability market can go. So if you believe in the Indian economy, if you have invested a lot of money in many stocks, all I will say is, if you believe in the Indian economy, you can hold it. If you have no belief, just quit it. That's the best thing I can say, because I quit it long back, because I don't know when a recession is gonna come, or when any bad news can come. So I exited long back, guys. Okay, I don't have any stocks in my portfolio as of now. So this is my view about Nifty. If it bounces back from this place, then we can think about it. Even if it bounces back from this place, until unless it doesn't cross this level of mine, okay, that is 23,800 or 23,900 and above, I'm not at all looking forward to go long. Okay, there is no way whatsoever I'm not going for long. I'm gonna stay. Okay, let's see what is up with Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also at a good support. It came up, now it's consolidating. If it goes up, there is a very high probability a selling can come from again 52,700 or 52,800, and those kind of places that we can see a selling again. So I have no hope, guys, on this thing. Let's just talk about US oil. So US oil, as we planned, these were the good levels where we shorted and we captured very good moves here. Sorry, again US oil is waiting at a very good level. If it breaks $70 and 30 cents and below, it can come till $69 and 30 cents. Okay, after that there is a very good support level which it can bounce back. And the difference is when Indian indices fall, commodities tend to rise up. Okay, not only Indian indices, but any market, Indian market or US market, whatever market falls, commodities tend to go up, and you guys can see it here. Gold has been going up like crazy. Now here it is taken a pause, which is a good sign. It's a good sign. We can easily mark the zone and we can wait for a breakout. Okay, so this is the zone which I have marked. So I have no positions in gold, but here, yes, I did make a small position. I traded it and I exited it long back. So crude oil, gold, all this are these are my views about these markets for now. And Indian markets, I'm not planning to trade. I have my own strategies for Indian market which I'm applying on daily basis. So if you guys want to see how that works, you guys can join my Discord, which I'll put a link down below. You guys can join it. So if you are trading Indian markets, please stay out of swing trades for now, because the market is really on a bad state now. Don't buy anything now. Whoever was averaging it, please don't average. Averaging is not a good thing to do, that on a falling market. Pyramiding is when you buy when the market is going up. Okay, I'll tell you. When the market is going up, on the dip you buy. Market's going up, dip, you buy here. Okay, market's going up, dip, you buy here. This makes a lot of sense, because when it falls, you'll book your profit here. All this is your profit. But on a falling market, it's really bad, guys. Okay, on a falling market, the market's gonna come down, up, come down. If you keep buying here, okay, if you keep buying in these levels, it is a very big loss for you. I'll be very honest. If market's coming down and up, okay, again down, here if you buy, or here if you buy, unnecessarily you're taking losses. Okay, you are taking, you're entering. I don't know why you're entering. It doesn't make any sense. Falling markets, don't enter. Okay, until unless you don't have a confirmed hope or confirmed view that no matter what, in 10-20 years, see, 20-20 years, obviously the market's gonna go up. Okay, there is no doubt about that. In 10-20 years, market has to go up. It's not going to stay at the same level. 10-20 years, we don't even know. It might go even till 1 lakh somewhere. Okay, we don't know, man. We don't know. 100, what to say, now it's at 23,000. It might go to 100,000 or 150,000. It might go till there, we don't know. But for now, please stay out of any kind of swing trades. If you have any swing trades, see good levels. If you have any stocks in your watch list, you can definitely comment down below. I will analyze it and I can tell you if it's a good stock to still keep it in your list or you can exit it. I will definitely help you out. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. The market is being very ruthless. Please don't invest any money for now. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. If you have any doubts, definitely DM me. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like this. I hope this was informative, and thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.